and build custom software solutions. I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership experience and a solid 25 years in software development, I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. So Donald Trump has done a complete 180 on his stance on cryptocurrency. Previously, he was a very vocal critic, but he now embraces digital currency and the whole world that comes with it. So with tech titans like Elon Musk, Andreesen Horowitz, the Winklevoss twins, and David Sacks, and so many more, this is shaping up to be huge for tech. So let's dive in. All right, so we're going to dive in today. And so former President Donald Trump is leaning into crypto, and Silicon Valley donors are lining up to give him money. Mark Andreessen and Ben Horowitz, big name VCs who invested in startups like OpenAI, SpaceX, they told their employees of their firm that they will be making a large donation to Trump's presidential campaign. Now, Andreessen Horowitz have donated $30 million plus to crypto startup super PACs in the past year. And they've said they are nonpartisan with one-issue voters. And this issue is crypto. So Trump has a huge growing promise towards crypto. In 2019, Trump called crypto a scam. But this May, he became the first presidential candidate to accept donations in cryptocurrency. He raked in over $3 million in crypto in the second quarter of 2024, part of $331 million total in Q2. And that's not the only proof he's changed his mind. Trump has also met with crypto bigwigs and is headlining the annual Bitcoin conference in Nashville this month. So the GOP's recently adopted platform promises to stop Democrats' un-American crypto crackdown. So now, in the big picture of this, a number of other Silicon Valley tech executives, including the Winklevoss twins, Elon Musk, and David Sacks, have also endorsed Trump and donated huge amounts of money towards his campaign or pro-Trump super PACs. So they hope that the second Trump administration will mean less regulation. So we're going to break down a little bit more of this. Now, Trump, as I had mentioned, has done this 180 on it. And so as Trump has done this 180 on cryptocurrency, he was previously really vocal critic, but now he embraces the crypto world. Now, this shift is strategic, aligning with the increasing acceptance and integration of crypto in mainstream finance. So Trump's new stand reflects the growing influence and legitimacy of cryptocurrency in the global economies. So it's a sign that digital currencies are becoming an integral part of the financial strategies, even for major political figures. This change signals potentially regulatory and market shifts in the favor of crypto. Now, Trump's campaign has raised a significant amount from crypto donations straight up. In the second quarter of 2024 alone, his campaign received $3 million in crypto donations out of the $31 million raised overall. So this marks a substantial influx of digital currency. Now, for the tech industry, this could mean increased mainstream adoption and further legitimization of cryptocurrencies. It also suggests a future where digital currencies plays a larger role in politics and economic landscape. Now enters Andreesen Horowitz, also known as A16Z, and they're a major player in tech and investment world. They've Andreesen Horowitz, and this is a picture of Andreesen Horowitz here. They've announced $45 million donation towards Trump campaign. This move underscores the firm's strategic interests in the evolving tech landscape. So A16's involvement signifies an alignment of major tech investors with political forces to shape policy and market environments. Their support for Trump highlights a significant intersection of tech, finance, and politics. And I haven't really dove a lot into politics on this channel, but I really think we're going to see this affect tech a lot over the next 18 months particularly. This collaboration could drive policies favorable to tech, innovation, and investments. Now, A16Z, and it's Andreesen Horowitz, and it's A16Z because it's Andreesen and Horowitz, so it's A to Z with 16 characters between. So their nickname's A16Z. Their investment strategy has been heavily focused on Web 3.0. They've poured significant resources into this next generation of cryptocurrency and this Web 3.0 that we're talking about. And so Web 3.0 represents a decentralized internet where users have more control and ownership over their data. This shift is set to transform how digital services are built and consumed. So kind of like we saw a Web 2.0 shift in the early 2000s, where we saw the static web of the dot-com era, and then the late 2000s, around 2010, we saw really a big shift to Web 2.0. Now we're talking about Web 3.0, where it comes to decentralization and a talk with blockchain and integrating these technologies and how they work with the web. So this shift is set to transform how digital services are built and consumed, and A16Z has poured a ton of money into it. So now they're supporting Trump, and my guess is that this is a likely tie in their broader strategy to influence tech-friendly policies. This investment highlights the importance of staying ahead of the evolving landscape. So I think the intertwining of Trump's campaign and tech giants like A16Z show how politics and technology are increasingly going to be connected as we move forward. Political support can significantly influence tech policies and regulatory environments. For developers, this means staying informed about political shifts and how crucial it is, because policies shaped by these alliances can impact everything from data privacy laws to funding opportunities. The tech industry's future will be increasingly influenced by political dynamics. So understanding these connections is really important as you navigate the tech landscape. Now, I think there's going to be a huge impact on the job market. These developments are set to positively impact the job market. As investment in Web 3.0 grows, so does the demand for skilled developers and tech professionals. The anticipated policies and market conditions could drive job growth in the tech sector. For those looking to enter or advance in the tech industry, now is a super great time. The evolving landscape promises new opportunities and career paths. So what I think we're going to see here with this is that Web 3.0 is going to take a lot of development. Now, crypto has had its definite ups and downs, right? And we've definitely seen a lot of speculation around crypto. But the blockchain technology that powers crypto is what's going to drive this Web 3.0 growth. And Andreesen Horowitz and these kind of guys who invest really heavily into it, I don't think we're going to see these guys miss. Generally speaking, we haven't historically seen these guys miss. So the alignment of major investors and political figures will accelerate technology innovation. Support from influential entities like A16Z, as well as Elon Musk, as well as the Winklevoss. I mean, there's just the list goes on and on. And so for developers, this means an exciting opportunity to work on innovative projects. The tech ecosystem will benefit from increased investment and focus on innovation. So I think we're about to see the market swing back up as we see most signs point to Trump presidency come this fall. So Trump's new stance on crypto and his Trump's newsstand, as well as Andreesen Horowitz and those kind of financial backing, but Trump's stand on crypto will make a lot of confidence into this space, and I think will allow institutions to embrace crypto. This could lead to more stable and sustainable growth in the cryptocurrency market. So rather than these speculative swings and crashes that we've seen with crypto so far, this would actually build around the technology of blockchain that crypto is built upon. So for investors and developers, this stability can provide a more predictable environment. It also opens up new avenues for investment and development in the crypto space. Market growth can be driven by such high-profile support and can create a robust and dynamic tech ecosystem. So with Trump's embrace of crypto, regulatory changes, I think, are highly likely as we see a very likely Trump presidency this fall. All the signs right now are pointing to a Trump landslide this fall, and especially after the events of last weekend, I think we're going to continue to see him ride this wave. These changes could create a more favorable environment for cryptocurrency and blockchain technologies. Overall, developers will, as we continue to watch this, I think we need to understand the legal landscape that will be crucial for navigating and leveraging new opportunities. Now, I think the long-term implications for tech here is that we're going to see a job swing back up. I know we've been riding this low for a little while. I think as Trump comes in and brings down interest rates, I think as we see this shift towards accepting crypto, as well as these legislation changes. So the integration of blockchain into mainstream finance and politics signals a significant shift. Web 3.0 rise will reshape the internet a bit. Now, I'm not a huge Web 3.0. I don't think it's going to completely radicalize the internet, but I think there's going to be some use cases. So I think with the growth in AI, the growth with web, the growth with financing coming into this, I think for developers and tech professionals, adapting to all these things will be key to success. So I think we should embrace the continuous learning and stay agile in your career approach. The future of tech promises to be dynamic and full of opportunities for those who are ready to innovate and adapt. As I've always said, if you're not willing to innovate and learn and adapt, then you're going to be left by the wayside. So Trump, crypto, Web 3.0, I think it's reshaping the tech landscape. I think we need to stay informed, stay agile, and seize this opportunity right in front of us. I think we're shaping up for an interesting close to 2024 and into a very awesome 2025. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you think I'm wrong? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love having a good, healthy discussion. So make sure you leave a comment and make sure to like and subscribe. Here at StartupHakk, we love to train software developers with in our coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions. So reach out if there's anything that we can do to help. And overall, I think that we're ready and shaping up to see an exciting time for 2024 and into 2025. Again, make sure you reach out, hit the links down below, and we will catch you guys next time. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel because we bring you lots of great tutorials and tips that every developer should know. See you next time.